Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're a fan of eye makeup that stays put, you've likely heard of Estee Lauder's Double Wear Long-Lasting 24H Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil. This little gem promises to keep your eyeliner intact for a full 24 hours, even in the most humid, sweat-inducing conditions. Today, we're diving into whether it truly lives up to the hype. The Estee Lauder Double Wear Gel Eyeliner Pencil in the shade 01 Onyx is designed to be the blackest black, delivering a matte finish. It's meant for those who want bold, defined eyes without the constant worry of smudging or fading. In terms of features, it's all about long wear and waterproof technology, making it a contender for anyone with busy days or those prone to watery eyes. It's available in a sleek pencil form, which is easy to use and travel-friendly. Let's see how it holds up in real-world testing. I've been using this eyeliner daily for a few weeks, and here's what I found. The application is smooth right out of the pencil, no tugging or pulling needed. The texture feels creamy, but not too soft, which means it's easy to control. Whether I'm doing a quick tight line or a bolder winged look, it goes on effortlessly. I love how deeply pigmented it is. One stroke gives an intense, true black color that doesn't require layering. In terms of wear, this pencil is impressive. I put it through the ultimate tests, from long work days to workouts. The eyeliner stays in place without any smudging or fading, even when I'm sweating or rubbing my eyes. It's not quite tear-proof, but it's definitely one of the most waterproof eyeliners I've tried. When it says 24-hour wear, it really means it. I did notice, though, that removal can be a little tricky. I had to use a heavy-duty makeup remover to get it all off at the end of the day. Now let's break it down. The pros. First, the matte finish is beautiful. Rich, bold, and sophisticated. I also appreciate the sleek design of the pencil, which makes it easy to sharpen. The formula is long-lasting and truly waterproof, so it's perfect for days when you need your eyeliner to stay put without touch-ups. But there are a couple of things to consider. While the color payoff is excellent, some may find that the formula can dry out a little faster than expected after repeated use. I also wish the pencil was a bit more versatile when it comes to blending for softer looks. It's really meant for precision and staying power. When we talk about value for money, this is definitely on the pricier side, but you're paying for the brand's reputation and the quality of the formula. If you're looking for something that will endure the entire day, whether at work or a night out, it's worth it. For those on a budget though, there are alternatives like Maybelline's Tattoo Studio Gel Pencil, which offers similar waterproof performance for a fraction of the price. In terms of build quality, the pencil is sturdy and doesn't feel flimsy, so you won't need to worry about it breaking easily. However, like many pencil-style eyeliners, you will need to sharpen it, which can lead to some product wastage over time. As for longevity, I've noticed that the formula remains effective as long as you store it properly, out of direct sunlight or heat. Customer support for Estee Lauder is generally well regarded, and while I haven't needed to reach out directly, their reputation for resolving any issues or inquiries is a good indicator of the brand's overall customer service. If you're looking for a similar product but at a lower price point, I'd recommend checking out L'Oréal Paris Infallible Pro Last Waterproof Pencil Eyeliner. It offers great waterproof performance and a smooth application, though it might not last quite as long as the Estee Lauder pencil. To sum it all up, the Estee Lauder Double Wear Long-Lasting 24H Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil is a solid performer for anyone who needs their eyeliner to last the distance, from morning to night. It offers great color payoff, durability, and a sophisticated matte finish. However, its price might be a deterrent for some, especially those who don't mind doing touch-ups throughout the day. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.